Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of GRE Words with TV series, where we will be exploring different hard-to-crack vocab with our favorite TV shows, just to make your learning a little more fun and effective. If you haven't already, do check out our previous videos in the series and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant updates. The series of videos will be based on proven ways of learning vocabulary using visual cues, very much like it happens in the top-rated vocabulary app, WordBot. Learn big and complex GRE words with ease. Do download the WordBot app from the Play Store and secure your GRE Verbal score now. Today we bring you a show that immortalized the blue French horn and the yellow umbrella, and of course the pineapple incident. Yes, we are talking about How I Met Your Mother, a 9-season long saga of how Ted Mosby, a New York architect, met his wife. First up, we have Lily ALDRIN, Marshall's partner and the mother of the group. A kindergarten teacher and a passionate artist. She's affectionate and ready to take a bullet for her gang. But above all, she is remembered for the wisdom she has about love, life, and friendship. The best words to describe her will be percipient, which means good at noticing and understanding things, and profligate, which means recklessly extravagant or wasteful in the use of resources. The usages of the words is as follows. Percipient, the sitcom's well-written humor is perfectly counterbalanced by Lily's percipient wisdom about the world around us. Profligate. Lily managed to hide her profligate ways quite successfully until Marshall applies for a mortgage.
Teacup pig, there is no way I can ever be with you. Right now.
Though Barney Stinson is renowned for his suits, high-fives, and witty replies, there's no doubt that his most enduring characteristic is his multiple exploits with women and how it borders on misogyny. After all, who could forget the bro code? Hence, the best words to describe Barney would be philanderer, which means a man who readily or frequently enters into casual relationships with women, a womanizer, and unwavering, which means not wavering, steady, or resolute. Let's look into the usage of the words now. Philanderer. Despite his being a notorious philanderer, Barney Stinson nevertheless later develops a deeply paternal instinct and yearns to have children. Unwavering. It was through his sheer unwavering spirit and love for challenges that a sharp dresser like Barney wore a ridiculous duck tie for a whole year.
But are you ready to hear something that will not only make you feel better, but will actively excite you? The three of us are single at the same time. I've dreamed about this day, boys, and it's going to be legendary.
Next up is SCHERBATSKY, Ted's initial love interest and eventual partner. She's the only Canadian in the group. Unlike Ted, however, Robin is more skeptical about the notions of true love, destiny, and miracles. As such, this would make her a cynic or cynical, which means believing that people are motivated purely by self-interest, distrustful of human sincerity or integrity. Or hoyden, which means a girl or woman of saucy, boisterous, or carefree behavior. Moving on to their usages. Cynical. While Robin starts out as a hardened cynic, unbelieving in love, the locket incident at her wedding proves how much she has changed. Hoyden. With her love for a well-tailored suit and a fine, smooth scotch, Robin is television's favorite hoyden.
Marshall, it doesn't matter, because you'd lose anyway. And you know why? Because I'm Sparkles.
Ted Mosby is an incurable, hopeless romantic whose life journey is guided by the pursuit of the one, a strong believer in fate. His quest for his soulmate can be described as extremely idealistic, to the point where it is laughable or idiotic. A great word for Ted, therefore, would be quixotic, having or showing ideas that are different and unusual, but not practical or likely to succeed. Or stickler, a person who insists on certain quality or type of behavior. The usage of the same is as follows. Quixotic. It would not be an exaggeration to say that Ted's quixotic impulses are what led to him being left at the altar. Stickler. With a stickler like Ted, it's best to know what the word literally actually means, unless you want a tedious lecture from him.
Does Professor have 1 F or 2? Oh my god. Oh my god. Professor. Professor. They're all staring at me. Professor. I don't know. Just do something.
Last but certainly not the least is Marshall ERIKSEN, who is easily known to be the most kindest and compassionate member of the group, and also known to be very emotional and sensitive. As someone who is deeply concerned about his friends and family members' well-being, Marshall could be described as a solicitous person, which means showing care and helpful attention to someone, or deferential, which means showing respect to others. Let's look at their usages now. Solicitous. Leaving the plush job at Goliath National Bank to become an environmental lawyer was one of the greatest examples of Marshall's solicitousness. Deferential. Although Marshall's deferential nature is one of the most endearing aspects of the show, it does lead to him being routinely exploited by his colleagues at work.
This is a pie chart describing my favorite bars. And this is a bar graph describing my favorite pies.
And there you have it. 10 GRE words describing your favorite characters from How I Met Your Mother. We hope you enjoyed this episode of GRE WordBot TV series. If you want even more vocab practice and can't wait for the next video, do check out GREed's WordBot app. The link is in the description, and start practicing. WordBot makes vocabulary learning more easy and effective, using fun tests, pictures, and clues to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and do let us know in the comment section below what should be our next TV series. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.